Are you looking for an affordable one-level brick home in the Simpsonville, South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of one of our listings right here at 220 Scottish Avenue in Simpsonville, South Carolina. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, Upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, Upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by helping and supporting and guiding them as they purchase their dream home and sell at the best price. We would love to help you too. We get calls from people like you all the time, so whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, Upstate South Carolina area. All of our contact information are in the description box below. All right, let's check out 220 Scottish Avenue right here in Simpsonville, South Carolina. Now, as you can see, there's plenty of brick homes, four-sided brick homes all around here. This neighborhood is actually located a few minutes from Fairview Road in Simpsonville, which, you have all your shops, restaurants, everything that you need access to the interstate from there. And then you can also go the back way to Georgia Road as well, which also has access to the interstate as well. So it's a 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, or it could be a 3 bedroom if you use one of the rooms as an office or a study, okay? You got the sidewalk that goes all the way around to the backyard. So if you have your trash can back there, you can actually bring your trash can through the sidewalk. Okay, 2-car attached garage. There is a garage door opener as well. Like I said, this is a 4-sided brick home and neighborhood. There is a pool in the community here, as well as some sidewalks that you could see in the neighborhood as well. So let's go on inside here and check it out. You've got a little bit of a front porch here and storm door. So as you come in, you got these white plank floors here in the family room area. And to the left, this is actually, it could be a 4-bedroom or it could be a 3-bedroom with a study. So this would be the room that you could use as a study if you didn't need 4 bedrooms, okay? So it does have a closet. So as you can see, there's a closet here for this room. So if you need a 4th bedroom, this could be your 4th bedroom or a study, like I said, okay? And I'm gonna kind of pan around here, show you what this foyer looks like. You got some crown molding right there in the foyer. And to the left here is the dining room area, and then to the right is the kitchen and the breakfast area, okay? So dining room, you got the picture molding all on the floor here, adds a little bit of character. And don't mind that light, it looks like it's way too low, but once you put a table underneath, you wouldn't even notice how low it is, okay? Lots of ceiling fans, open floor plan, and this goes into the laundry room and the garage. We'll go up over there in a moment. And granite countertops, and you've got the stainless steel appliances, brushed nickel knobs and pull, and you do have where the refrigerator goes there. And as you can see, a lot of times you get these cabinets where it's short over here and you're kind of reaching, trying to get into the cabinets, but this is pretty deep cabinet. So if you put your refrigerator in there and it comes out, your cabinet is almost even with the refrigerator. So that's a pretty nice touch there. Tile backsplash, and this is the breakfast area here. And you do have a pantry closet, okay? And you got this hand scraped look floors on this side here and in the foyer as well, okay? And laundry room. And let's go in here, check out the garage. So garage, 2-car garage, water heater is over there. You do have attic, pull down attic access right over there. And the garage door opener as well, automatic garage door opener. Okay, you got these pendant lights that come out here. You can put bar stools around your peninsula island here. Okay, and coat closet. You know, really nice high pitch ceilings here, so it doesn't feel so closed in. So it makes it nice and open. Okay, gas log fireplace. Okay, so, and to the left here is a split bedroom floor plan. It's a split bedroom floor plan, and you got a little hallway here, and the second bathroom, tub shower, granite countertops on the sink there, and bedroom number 2 or 1, depending on what you use that room for. So, and nice sized closet here. So it's pretty wide closet. Okay, obviously you got 2 doors there. Ceiling fan in all the bedrooms. And then you got bedroom, well, let's check out the linen closet first. And bedroom number 3 or 2, depending on what you use that front one for. Okay, and then closet here. This closet is a little bit smaller. Okay. All right, so we're gonna check out the other side of the house. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and do that now. Now, like I said, this property is conveniently located. You can go to Fairview Road, which has a lot of shopping, restaurants. On Fairview Road, access to the 385 interstate. And also you can go the back way to Georgia Road, which also has access to the interstate as well. So you can go either way. And so, I know Fairview Road, sometimes it can get a little bit congested. You know, not as bad as Woodruff Road, but if you wanted to go the back way, you can always take Georgia Road to get there, okay? All right, let's continue on our tour and get our bearings back right here. It's got the fireplace, open floor plan, front door over there, and we'll go outside in a moment. So on the other side of the house, because this is a split bedroom floor plan, you got the primary bedroom, tray ceiling there with the crown molding, and the owner actually added a couple of lights over there, so if you put your bed, those are actually, it's actually dimmable. So you can be able to dim them and have them right over your headboard, okay? Couple of windows in here to let in some natural lights, and custom closet. So you got the built-ins in the closet here, and you also have the LVP flooring on the floor. Double sinks, granite countertops. You got some drawers, cabinets there. Okay, these ceilings are really, really high ceilings. And it does have a tub and a separate shower. So you got the garden tub there and separate shower on this side. Okay. And let's go check out the outside. So you got the blinds that are built into the back door here. Again, you cannot have enough natural light coming into any house. The screened porch area here, so you got the screen porch covered, so nice little space to hang out. And this current owner also added some additional concrete here, so if you needed some space out here for grilling or anything like that, you got additional space out here, concrete as well. Okay, so let's check out. So this is the sidewalk that goes all the way out to the front. Fenced backyard. Storage building also stays. So decent size shed. Okay, and then on this side over here, 4-sided brick. Okay, fully fenced in. All right. So, and like I said, there is a swimming pool in this community. There are sidewalks and very conveniently located right here in Simpsonville. So I hope you enjoyed our tour. So if you have any questions, or if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, Upstate South Carolina area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or you can visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Let me know if you have any questions. Look forward to hearing back from you soon. Take care. Bye.